I didn't believe it. No fire, no oven, and done in a few minutes. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar and mix until caramel becomes. This is the ideal point. Now, just take it and pass it out onto a box of milk, cut like that. That's in the video. Pour all the caramel and set aside next to the. In a blender, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 500 ml of milk, 4 tablespoons of milk powder. Now just cap and leave beating very well. While beating, add 2 unflavored gelatin sausages, already dissolved, and leave to beat for a while long. After heating, just pour everything over the caramel. So, it's already great. Now just take it to the fridge until it hardens. Once firm, just unstick from the sides, and on a plate it's just unforming that will come out perfectly. Look how wonderful this pudding looks. There's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This pudding is super fast, easy and simple to be made. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.